Good morning.
Ready to go get wild?
Yeah.
Cool.
It is 9 o'clock and we are catching the bus to Animal Kingdom because from there we'll have to change bus, get another bus, which will take us to Blizzard Beach because today we are going to the water park. It is Saturday and it's pretty crowded. Good morning.
Ready to go get wild?
A 5 minutes drive from the All-Star Music Resort to Animal Kingdom. Now we're going to look for the bus to Blizzard Beach, which opens at 10. First time we're doing this transfer here at Animal Kingdom. Today's Saturday and it is a pretty busy day. People everywhere already. I mean, it's already 9:30, but it looks pretty busy. I hope that the water park is not so busy in the morning. We are planning on staying 2, 3, or maximum 4 hours at the water park, and then in the afternoon do something else. So for Blizzard Beach, it is stop number 11, and we are definitely not the first ones today. We arrived at Blizzard Beach. It is 9:45. We're early, the park opens at 10. All these people going to enjoy Blizzard Beach, as we are. And it took us around half an hour to get here, a little bit more than half an hour. Changing at Animal Kingdom, getting the new bus to Blizzard Beach. Hi.
Blizzard Beach.
Yeah.
On your arm, perfect. You're gonna leave it on for about 30 seconds. There you go. Enjoy
Thank
the
you so
rest
much.
of your visit.
Bye bye. Wow! Yoo-hoo! Cool!
Oh, it's great. That's like as high as it gets.
It's almost 10 o'clock. Hello from Blizzard Beach Resort. We did not go missing. We were overwhelmed at first when we came in. I said, okay, later I'm gonna walk around, take a video. I put all our stuff in lockers. Then we went to check if there was a nice place in the shade to put our shoes, our clothes. Then we jumped into the lazy river, which was kind of a lazy, freezy river because today it was supposed to be really, really hot and sunny. But at the beginning it was really, really clouded and windy. And then we went to the green slope and did the team boat springs, which I really recommend. It's something for the whole family. We could do it also with our 5-year-old and it was a lot of fun. Nobody was scared. It was really, really fun. But to get there, we went with the ski lift. That line took us about 15 minutes. And then the queue for the Teamboat Springs was about 45 minutes. To do one thing, we spent more than 1 hour. And we quickly realized that the park got busy. really fast. And maybe because it's a Saturday, maybe it's always like that, maybe because it's hot, I don't know. But this is the lazy river situation. It was cool, the kids had a lot of fun. Now it's time to leave. It is pretty busy. We wanted to mobile order some food at one of the places here, but the next available window for the mobile order is in 80 minutes. So this is just how you get the idea of how busy it is. That's not for us. We're going to escape from Blizzard Beach and go do something a bit more quiet, a bit more lazy than the lazy river of the Blizzard Beach. Overall, it is a very cool place. It has so many things to do. They have life jackets. There are many lifeguards everywhere. It's amazing. There is this playground. There is another playground for little ones on the other side. There is a ski lift that takes you up there, and up there are a few queues for different kind of slides. It is a really cool place. It's just that I don't want to wait 45 minutes in line for doing a slide. Of course, there are these small slides over there, for example. They don't have any queue. You can just do them over and over again. There's plenty of stuff to do. My recommendation would be don't do it on a Saturday during spring break. Don't do it on a Saturday, not even on a Friday. Avoid weekends. That's my tip for Blizzard Beach or Typhoon Lagoon, which is basically the same. And starting from June, they're gonna be open both. So maybe people will split up and there will be less people in one park because they're gonna split up between two parks.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
Right when you exit Blizzard Beach, you on the left, there is Winter Summerland, which is a miniature golf course. We wanted to do that, but it's really crowded. Today is the first day that we say it's too crowded to enjoy. We're gonna keep on with our day and do something else. It's 1:30 p.m. We're gonna go back to the resort, change our clothes, off to different and new adventures. We got changed. We had a very little break. Now it is 3 p.m. We took the bus to the Hollywood Studios so that from here we can take the Skyliner, reminiscing old times. Like when we were at the Pop Century Resort in 2023, we used to take the Skyliner to go to Epcot and to Hollywood Studios every day. So today we want to use the Skyliner again, but to go from here outside the Hollywood Studios to the Riviera Resort. We have never been there. We are doing a little resort hopping today, visiting the Riviera Resort. We're gonna eat there at a restaurant, a quick service restaurant that is called Primo Piatto. I have a visitor here. Hello! Her name is Chiara. Got her at the arcade of the All-Star Music Resort. We're gonna have lunch at 3 p.m. at the Primo Piatto of the Riviera Resort, but now I'm taking you with me on the Skyliner, the very famous Disney Skyliner. Come stai, Lorenzo? After the water park. Ja, dan mag. Heb je?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner.
Ja. This is the Caribbean Beach Resort.
Yeah.
Caribbean Beach. This one over here is the Riviera. That's where we are going.
Over there. Yeah, there's a pool near us though. So is it a bridge?
Oh, this is the Riviera. We just got off the Skyliner, which is a fun thing to do, even if you have actually no real destination. You just go around with the Skyliner, or you can make a round trip. Kids like it. And now we're gonna go have lunch. And this is the Riviera Resort. I wanted to visit the Riviera Resort because there is this quick service restaurant, which is Primo Piatto, that we want to try. Oh, there is a snake. Do you see the snake? So at the Riviera Resort there are snakes, apparently. Well, we saw one snake. They're probably everywhere. Inside these resorts there are beautiful mosaics. We're gonna have a look at those, check out the resort to see if we like it. All these rooms have balconies, as you see. This is considered a luxury resort, a deluxe resort. This resort is inspired by the French Riviera. In this resort you can also find Topolino's Terrace, which is a character restaurant, and here is one of the pools. Seems like a quiet resort. You can see inside one of the rooms the mattresses are very thick, like every deluxe resorts. I believe that this must have really beautiful rooms, beautiful pools, very good service. And now we're gonna try out the food and the lobby. Let's see the lobby. Fitness room over here, which you need your magic band for to get in. I don't know if you can see anything. Treadmills. I lost my husband and the kids. Where are they? I don't know. Oh, here they are inside. Let's go see the lobby. Let's check out the lobby. Hi. Hello. Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Yeah, you can take whichever one you want. Then we also have the posters. The Big Macs and that's like a awesome.
There's some activities that you can do here. Some games. This is another activity. Thank you so much. Bye.
Have a good day.
Bye bye. And here is Primo Piatto. Welcome to Primo Piatto. So the flair in this quick service restaurant here, Primo Piatto, at the Riviera Resort is definitely very European. As you probably can see here, you come to a quick service restaurant in a deluxe resort, you're gonna get complimentary water cups. And with your tea, you can get lemons. There are more choices of tea actually. And then there is this fancy soda machine over here. This hotel is smaller than the All-Star Music Resort, for example, so there will be also smaller fridges, but basically it's the same things. Here you can order at the register or you can order via mobile order. This is what we did, and we are waiting for our order to be ready. In every hotel, in every resort, you will find different things that you can't find in another resort. That's the fun thing. Like, look for the things that are unique to one of the resorts. This is what we like. Like, go look for things that we didn't find in Disney before. We posted a mobile order when we left the hotel so that it would be ready when we came here. And when we arrived here, it was not ready. And we waited half an hour and it was still not ready. And when it was ready, the fries was cold, the meat of the hamburger was so salty. We got one sandwich, which was fine, and the other sandwich was not available, but they didn't tell us before. Like, we waited the whole time, then they told us that sandwich is not available. You can choose another sandwich or you can have a refund. So I ordered another sandwich. It was 10 more minutes and everybody was eating. We were not happy with the food we got. So I said, I don't want the sandwich anymore. So now they refunded us the sandwich that we didn't get, and they gifted us a banana bread. Overall experience of Primo Piatto at Riviera's. Riviera is still a nice resort, and we're gonna explore a little bit. Then we're gonna go to Animal Kingdom, because Animal Kingdom tonight closes at 8 p.m. and maybe we will be able to see Pandora, the world of Avatar, with the lights on. There are other restaurants in here. You could definitely take a coffee or a pastry here at Primo Piatto. That's totally fine, but not have lunch or dinner. No. The other restaurants. Here we are at Primo Piatto. Then there is Bar Riva, is a bar. Then there is Topolino's Terrace, which is a character dining, and there is Le Petit Café, where you can probably get some snacks. So there are other options. So this is Le Petit Café. You get your coffee and something sweet.
That's alright, I have to get the new one.
That's the lobby. This is the main entrance. This painting is nice. It's the main entrance. And that is the reception. Let's see La Boutique. If you live in the United States maybe, or you come from another continent and you want this European flair, then you can totally stay here at the Riviera. It gives you that French Riviera feeling. I am not a big fan of it. Maybe you'll come here and you like it. I'm sure that if you sleep here, it is an amazing stay. The cast members I saw when I was walking by in the lobby, They were so kind, really extremely kind. So I'm sure they make your stay amazing. In the meantime, we catch the bus for Animal Kingdom. If you are a fan of Europe, of the French Riviera, and you want to live that feeling, and you want to splurge for a luxury resort, then you can definitely go to the Riviera Resort. Sure that the cast members are amazing, while one can resort hop and visit the Polynesian or the wilderness resorts. I don't understand why one should resort hop to visit the Riviera. There is nothing really that captured me. But this is also why we try things, right? To find out what we like most and to find out what we don't like. I wanted to check it out. It is beautiful. The cast members are amazing, and it is definitely a very beautiful deluxe resort. But just to resort hop, for me, it is not worth it. If you're making a whole tour of resort hopping, want to see it, of course, come visit. It is beautiful. It has beautiful green gardens, nice playground outside. And also, if you're visiting Topolino's Terrace, that is the character breakfast or the character meals, which should be very good. Then, of course, you can come to Riviera. Now we're in the bus going to Animal Kingdom. Follow along. It is 6 o'clock at the Animal Kingdom. Today the park closes at 8 p.m. The atmosphere here today at this time is amazing. I love it. We went on safari. It was just a walk-on. It said 10 minutes, but actually it was just a walk-on. This is extraordinary. We saw some animals. Lions were sleeping. I think they always sleep in the afternoon. It was nice to do the safari just walking onto the right. It's really great. Now I am here waiting for Lorenzo and Maya that just went on 10 minutes queue for Expedition Everest. After that, Maya and me are gonna go with the lighting lane because we did the rider switch. As I said, the atmosphere here in Animal Kingdom at 6 p.m. when the park closes at 8 p.m. is amazing. I love it. I love the sounds. I love the sun, how it is shining right now. The light is beautiful. After, we're gonna head over to Pandora as we want to ride Flight of Passage and Navi River Journey. I'll let you know how that goes. But in the meantime, we're gonna soak in this beautiful atmosphere here in Asia of Animal Kingdom in Disney World. We rode Everest in first row. If you want to ride Everest in the first row, you just have to tell a cast member and they let you wait a few minutes so that you can get in first row. And it's really, really good in first row, but it's more intense in the back, just so you know. We came now to eat some tempura shrimps at Yak and Yeti, but not the Yak and Yeti restaurant, which is a sit-down restaurant. We came to the Yak and Yeti local food cafe. I'm showing you which one it is. It is close to Yak and Yeti actually. So here is the entrance to Yak and Yeti, and here right next door is Yak and Yeti local food cafe. If you order there, you cross the street, and across the street there is this little spot. It's a little bit hidden, but it's the best place to sit and enjoy your meal from Yak and Yeti local foods cafe. Look at how cool this is, and so many details. Our favorite spot down here is this little gazebo. This one. There are also two fans, one on this side and one on this side to keep you cool. The chairs are pretty cool. Yeah, this is a very good spot, and there's almost never people down here, so you can enjoy this spot all by yourself. Now it is 7 o'clock in the evening. The park closes at 8. We want to go to Pandora, the world of Avatar, try to ride Flight of Passage and Navi River Journey. We have to get moving. Let's go.
First, we have to scan you for Pandora microparasites. All right, everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. You've all got them.
Me and Maya, we stood in line for Flight of Passage. We did the rider switch so that Lorenzo and Maya can ride later. They got the lightning lane. We did it. It was very fast. We hoped we would finish before 8 o'clock.
Hello.
We hope to finish before 8 o'clock in the evening so that Lorenzo and Maya also could stand in line and go on Flight of Passage with their lightning lane from the rider switch. And you can only stand in line before 8 p.m. At 8 p.m. they close the lines. 1 minute before 8 you can stand in line, even in a standby line. So now it is 5 minutes to 8 and Evie and I, we are standing in line for Navi River Journey, which says it is a 20 minutes wait time, while Lorenzo and Maya are riding Flight of Passage. And then, when we are done with Navi River Journey and they are done with Flight of Passage, we hope to see for the first time ever Pandora illuminated with its beautiful lights. It's 8:05 and we're already done, but are the lights on in Pandora? The lights are officially on. Sorry. Hi. Und dort auch anfassen. So. Wow, gefällt dir das? Thank you.
Come in, take a look. We have 4 of them. We have the flame, we have the missile, we have the aquamarine, and we have the sky.
Wow. Ja, ich heb... It is 8:30 p.m. and this is Pandora, the world of Avatar by night. It is really beautiful with the lights. It is the first time that we see this. There is also the moon over there. This is really beautiful. The park closed at 8, so now we are going to leave the park, but we still want to enjoy this magic for 5 more minutes. Thank you for staying with us during this day. Thank you for watching. If you like more videos like this, then like and subscribe and come back to watch our next videos. Bye bye, Disney friends.